Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rohit. Today we'll talk about a very interesting topic called GIF. So nowadays when you visit the WhatsApp, Facebook, any of these applications, Instagram, any of these applications, you can be able to send the GIF, multiple GIFs to your friends. You can post the GIFs, you can create the memes, right, by the GIF. So this is the actually the GIFs developer actual GIFs website where you can create your own applications and then you can use that in your application. So let's see how I have integrated this GIF in my instance, and then I'll talk about these details further. So this is my one of these applications, service application, and the service application. You can see that I have basically created a communication or channel where I can post the GIFs here, so people can keep on posting the GIFs here. So let's see. I'll go click the GIF. I'll say just hello. This is my normal message. I can post that, and then I'll put a click the GIF, and then I'll click the hello and click the post. So I'll be able to see the multiple GIFs here. Once we get that multiple GIFs here, I'll select one of the GIFs from there, and then that GIFs will be posted into that that message or communication channel. Peoples whoever other peoples, they will be also see that GIF. So that's how we can integrate the GIFs. So let's see how we can do that. Very first thing is that you have to go to that, you have to visit the developers.gif.com, that is their website. And this website you have to create your own app, your own account. And if you see, I have already created my own account, and if you go to the read talks, you will be able to see that how the documentation is work for them. So if you hit go and see that this is my application, and this is my profile, and this profile have a dashboard. So you go and click the dashboard. Once you click the dashboard, you will be able to see all the application that you have created to use the GIF. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a new application for in this case. So you just simply click the create a new application, and you can create an application. So when you click the create application, you will have two options called SDK and then API. So what is the SDK and what is the API, will break down that. So SDK is basically software development kit. If you are using the Java or any other application, you can use the SDK. But our case, we actually need that API. So we'll select the create API and click the next step. Now what it is asking, it asking that your application name and then application description. So in this case, we are going to test first using the Postman. So we'll do the Postman, and then here also this description is also mandatory. We'll put the Postman and then click the agree and create application. So this application will be created and it will have a one API key. So this API key we are going to use in further. Okay, now if you see here, you have your options called upgrade to the production. What is mean that? So now when you create a application in your GIF, so this will be your non-prod application. You are going to test, you are going to play around that. So that is your non-prod application. But in future, you are going to move this data to your production application. In that case, you need to be upgrade to production. So until unless you upgrade that application to the production, you cannot use further in the production environment. So that's the reason you need to be upgrade the production. If you see in my case, the production request is rejected because I have not put much details during this upgrade to the production options, and that's the reason they have rejected. So it is subject to matters like how they will approve. So when you click the update to production, fill all these details properly, that where your what is kind of your applications, where you are going to use that, how it will be looks like that, and all these details once you put and click apply, they will review and they will approve that production uh, application. Now what we will do, let's see how we can use this. So very first thing that you have to click that API Explorer. In this API Explorer, you can see how it's actually works. So if you see the API Explorer, we have a options called key, where I can select the application or which key I am going to use that. And here we are going to use the public API, and here we are going to use, we are actually searching that. Otherwise, you can just uh, you know trending things also you can get that. Okay, so whatever is right now trending, all these GIFs you can get that. Now what I'll do, I'll change this trending to the search. Once I change to the search, if you see here, there is a one parameter is asking for Q, which is the required. I'll say that happy birthday. Once I do that and click the send request, it will actually give me some public URL, and that public URL I can use that. Now you can see it's give me some data or JSON format, and this, as I mentioned, the limit is 25, so I'll get the 25 images URL. So this is the images details each. So these each have a images details. So if I minimize that, so this one have a images details. So if I expand that, so all these images are details here. So I have to simply copy this one. So this is the public image link. I'll have to simply copy that and then paste here. Once I paste that, you can see this is the public images which is running. So what I have to do, this link I have to bind in our applications, because this is the public IP public URL. I just have to be convert that instead of image this URL. Okay, that way we can send the send that images. So here whenever I search here called hello and post, it's give me first all the images by binding those URL. So you can see this is these behind that all the images they have all these the URL images public image URL, and whenever I select that, it is just pasting that if you see here, this is pasting that public URL, and then in this content I am converting that public public images into that image. So that's all about this GIF integration. So in our further video, I will show you in the how I have implemented into the service now and how you can also implement here. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.